wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun.
I picked up this piece. It's really, really cute. This is actually really tiny. I'm going to DIY it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I like the style of it and I like the detail. So this should be interesting. This is going to be my next project. It is quite tiny, but I was thinking about doing it white, but then I thought, you know what? It's really, really tiny. I'm going to go with black. At least it'll make almost like a bigger statement, or being a little bit more bold, you know. Bold and graceful. This is the first coat. You can still see that a little bit through in some of the spots. This is how this little beauty turned out. I added the, of course, the dots in the bottom, and I did the trim around. I did the 4 or the 3 corners here in rose gold, and I did the sort of halfway, the markers halfway. I did that in rose gold, and this little accent here, and then the trim around was in rose gold as well. And of course the whisks, I did it in rose gold. And this is how this little beauty turned out. I'm quite impressed with it. I love it. I love the way it turned out. I didn't want to do the original gold. I wanted to go with a little bit of rose gold to be a little bit different. I don't know. What do you think? Do you like the rose gold better, or do you like the bright yellow or the bronzy gold? I'm curious. I would really, really love to know. I'm kind of liking this one. This is where we are, guys. I love it. It's a short video, but I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. Doctor says I have to keep my mind occupied and keep myself busy with hobbies that I enjoy, and this is one that I thoroughly enjoy. So for my medical condition, this is really, really helpful.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want